Welcome to my channel, The Candy House, more like the glow season. This is the part where I rap. Welcome to my channel's banger from left to right. Don't forget to hit me up on my social site, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Yeah, I'm living right, blessed life, and we know we gon' keep it blessed. Oh, just like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. All right, you guys, this is a new intro, and I hope you like it. Hello, welcome to the Candy House. It's your girl, Too Sweet, aka Jinx. I'm pretty. So as you can see, I put some flex rods in my hair. I do have a sew-in, my human hair bundles. I will drop the description of the hair and more, but I wanted to just do a little video for you guys so I can have more videos to drop. So if you want to see what this hairstyle is going to look like, stay tuned and let's get into the video. So basically, I did wrap my hair up with some flex rods. All I did was wrap them up with the flex rods, and then I applied my conditioner and water and some of my Cantu leave-in conditioner, left them in overnight, and I'm taking them out, and we're going to see what the curls look like. The hair is glow season bundles. Basically, they're all human hair, Brazilian virgin, unprocessed hair. I have 224 bundles in 224 inches and a 22 and a 20 inch. So, you know, I got a little length to it. The hair is deep wave. I did the flip over method. I left some leave out. And as you can see, I got hungry. So, yes, I ate a little bit. The wings were 3 pepper wings, I guess, habanero, and some other peppers added to it. They were really spicy and hot, but they were really good. They were only $6, but yeah. So back to the hair. I did my edges, and I'm just going to pull the curls apart because I wanted some big poofy hair. Like, I like Shaka Khan, Donna Ross, like big, giant, poofy, curly hair. It's just something I've always been into. But as you can see, I like how the curls came out. It does have a little shrinkage, but that's fine. But basically, like I said, I just pulled the curls apart. I don't really add much to it. And as you can see, I did a little half up, half down method. Half down. I do got to resew just this track right here so it can secure back on the braid, and I'll do that. But I just wanted you guys to see the type of curls. All right, you guys. So this is the end result. I'm going to do a turnaround. And honestly, I'm going to drop some pictures and stuff at the end. And we're going to still drop some more commentary to this video. But like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as you can see, like I said, this is the end result. I like the hair. It's real poofy, it's real curly, it's real thick, and it's amazing. I am going to be adding some color to it and dropping a video, so please stay tuned for that. But this is a nice protective hairstyle for if you know want something more to look natural or all that. But there you go, and you have it. So yeah. God bless. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I just want to stay beautiful, make a bag, and make my parents happy. Oh, like dang, Too Sweet.